job, B.
The escape path lighting is located along the aisle or on the side of your seat. The exit lights will be on in an emergency. To guide you to the emergency exit, please follow the illuminated signs to the nearest exit.
This is a day to remember for
These exits
sure.
are...
San Francisco, and I'm about to go on a walking tour. It's going to be a 2-hour walking tour and it should be interesting. I'm all ready to go. I have my walking shoes on. And it's a beautiful sunny day here. The weather is aircon weather. It's like 16 to 18 degrees. I'm finally getting over my cold and my jet lag, so I'm very happy about that. And yeah, we're just waiting for the tour guide.
What they're doing is the Free Love Tour. So this one is basically all about the 60s, counterculture, hippies, psychedelia, sex, drugs, and rock and roll, all that good stuff. See this home, pay their respects. People that are music appreciators love this place. This is where Justin Bieber grew up. I'm kidding. This was where the Grateful Dead lives. Never feels like chasing us.
Alright, so I am with West of Wild SF Tours, and yeah, I just got on one of his tours, and it was awesome. It was a musical walking tour.
Yes.
Here in Haight-Ashbury.
I'll sing you songs and tell you stories.
So here we are at the iconic Golden Gate Bridge, and no, it's not gold, it's actually red. And it's just a beautiful day today. The weather is perfect, the sun is out, and it's just beautiful here. It's such a gorgeous view. I just saw the Golden Gate Bridge from a different perspective. I love that there are many points where you can drive to see the Golden Gate Bridge. I suggest you do the same thing. If you're here, try to drive to those points and try to see the Golden Gate Bridge in a different perspective. So I'm hiking up to the highest view deck of the Golden Gate Bridge, and I'm sure I'm going to like what I'm going to see. So I made it to the top, and that hike was just so worth it because look at this gorgeous, gorgeous view behind me. I mean, it's just so breathtaking. The last time we went was a couple of years ago, and it was so foggy I couldn't even see anything. So yeah, I consider myself lucky. So it's another cold day here in San Francisco, and we are at the bay. We're at the pier, and Tris, say hi.
No, wait.
What? Wait a minute. Say hi.
No.
Okay, he's a little camera shy today, but hopefully he'll come around. But check out this view. We just parked at the Embarcadero and we walked towards this area. We kind of passed by like a farmer's market and a bunch of restaurants and shops, so it should be interesting. Okay, so I've decided to wear a skirt today, but I'm not feeling that cold because I'm wearing really warm leggings. That was quick. We finished that shoot in 5 minutes. So we are at Pier 39 and this is where all the restaurants and shops are. So I'm pretty excited because I'm kind of craving for anything seafood. Okay, so we are on our way to see the sea lions. I've never really seen sea lions before, or at least I don't remember seeing them up close. And yeah, we'll be seeing them here at Pier 39. So the sea lions are kind of just chilling there, and you know, some are like swimming around, but generally they just stay in that one area. I'm just so happy and so kilig to see them up close. You don't want to wear socks?
No way.
Why not?
Boy.
Your feet look funny.
No way.
What are you doing?
I can just dance but you don't.
Come on. Can I kiss the tummy?
Okay.
I am at the Ghirardelli Square and oh my gosh, I've never been so excited about chocolate. Ghirardelli is one of my favorite chocolates, if you must know. And yeah, I'm at the former factory turned mall, but they still sell Ghirardelli chocolates here at a very good price. They also sell Ghirardelli ice cream here, which I have never tried before, and I actually can't wait to try. It's a really cool place. They have like specialty shops here. They sell a lot of art, books, and of course Ghirardelli chocolates. Okay, so I'm currently trying to fill my box with as much Ghirardelli chocolates as I can. And yeah, you kind of have to like fix it so you can fit as many as you can as possible, and it's not that easy. But yeah, but I love that you can do that. You can like try to fill in as much as you can. So I am filling it with my favorite, which is milk chocolate caramel. Okay, so I just filled it up. I was able to fill it to the brim. And these are all my favorite Ghirardelli chocolate. This is only $20. So I filled it to the brim, of course. I'm so excited about this. I love Ghirardelli. I'm about to try it. Oh my gosh, that's chocolate. It's so good. We're on board the Hornblower Cruise Ship. We are having dinner at the moment. Peaches! Hi, Lon. I just had the first course, which was the spring salad. And after that, we still have a lot of courses to go through. And so far, so good. The sunset is beautiful here. I don't think I remember ever trying this kind of experience before. So this is something new for me. And really nice. It's really nice to sit down, have a nice dinner with an amazing view of the city. Stunning sunset. Check it out for yourself. It's so cold. It's so cold, it's so windy, but it's all worth it for this view. I feel so lucky to be here right now. Good morning. We are at Union Square and we're about to catch the hop on, hop off bus.
Mom, he said
need,
something.
we just need to look
He
for
said
it.
something. What'd you say? What'd you say?
What? What did he say? What? Donut? Yummy.
You wanna hold it? Okay, wait.
We are up early today at Union Square and no, we're not here to go shopping. We are here to meet up with a hop-on, hop-off bus and we're going to go sightseeing around San Francisco. I think Tristan is having the most fun here because there are so many pigeons and he's been running after them the whole morning. Okay, so I hopped off just now and I'm at the Golden Gate Park and it's one of the largest parks here in San Francisco.
You guys want to stop by and visit there?
So there's so many things to do here at the Golden Gate Park. Right behind me is the Japanese tea house, Japanese tea house garden, and just on my left is the De Young Art Museum, and there are food stalls all around. Right here, they have pretzels, ice cream, Indian food. And this park is actually super huge. It's 1,000 hectares and it's bigger than the Central Park. So it's really interesting. There's so many things to do here. The park itself is gorgeous. And you can just, you know, go around, walk around, bike, and chill with your family. Really beautiful place. Oh, and to my right, they have the Natural Science Museum. So I heard that this place is really good for kids. Like they have a special section or special area for them. And yeah, maybe one of these days I'm gonna go with Tristan so we can check it out.